Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video presentation using Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, Canva's intuitive platform can make the process both fun and easy. Let's dive right in and explore how we can bring your ideas to life with just a few simple steps. To start, open up Canva on your computer or device. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry. It's user-friendly and a fantastic tool for beginners and experienced users alike. Once you're on the homepage, the first thing you'll want to do is type video presentation into the search bar. This will bring up a wealth of templates specifically designed for video presentations, which can save you tons of time compared to starting from scratch. Once you hit enter, you'll see a variety of templates at your disposal. Take a moment to browse through these options. Consider what style fits your project's needs. Whether you're going for something clean and professional or more vibrant and playful, the right template will form the backbone of your presentation. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, hover over it and you'll find an option to customize this template. Click on it and this will bring you to a new screen where you can start customizing. This is where the real fun begins, as you can now start making the design truly yours. Start by adjusting the text on each slide to match the information you want to convey. Simply click on any text box and replace the placeholder text with your own words. This is where you can tailor your message, ensure clarity, and keep your audience engaged. Beyond text, images are a powerful tool for enhancing your presentation. So take advantage of Canva's vast library. Just click on the images you'd like to change and you can either upload your own images or search Canva's extensive database for alternatives. This customization allows you to maintain consistency with your brand or personal style, making your presentation feel cohesive. As you work through each slide, remember to preview your presentation occasionally to see how everything flows. This will help you maintain a logical sequence and ensure that all elements work harmoniously together. Finally, when you're satisfied with your creation, you can download or share your video presentation in various formats directly from Canva. Click on the download button in the top right corner and choose your preferred format. And there you all have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a stunning video presentation in Canva.